This video is in collaboration with Happy Plugs. Stay till the end of the video for an exclusive discount code. Starting off with the short sleeve shirt, which is my go-to shirt for my uniform. You can see that on the right hand side we have the ID section and also a single pocket on the left hand side. You can see that this shirt is a pretty good fit on my body, and you can see the sleeves goes 3/4 of the way down my upper arm. We also have the option of wearing a formal uniform of long sleeve shirt, which looks so sleek and so trendy at the same time. It is a great fit, and you can see that there is a collar within a collar on the left and the right section, which makes sense on the next section. And here is the iconic Virgin Australia lilac tie, and you can see this is a pre-tie tie, and there is a metal section at the top of it, and this goes on top of the collar, and obviously this is for safety feature as well. And I'm now tucking in the corners of the tie into those little collars within the collar, and there you have it. This is the illusion of having a perfect tie every single time. Moving on to the waistcoat, we have a very simple black waistcoat, and you can see that the V shows off the lilac tie so well, and again it is a nice fit. You can see there are 2 pockets at the front, which I like to put my lip balm and briefing report in it. At the back features beautiful plum color, which also complements the lilac tie. Our jacket is single-breasted with notch lapels and has 2 buttons with Virgin logos if you look carefully. It has the same shade of black to match the waistcoat, and it also has plum purple lining. Here comes the favorite part of my uniform, which is the overcoat for those colder climate down south in Australia. I think this is one of the coolest coats for an airline uniform. I do love the collar that's made to stand up, and the coat just complements your body shape so well as the lilac tie. During service on the aircraft, we do wear an apron to protect our uniform. It is a simple black apron, and of course it has a velcro feature at the top of the neck for safety reasons, and I like to wear mine at the front, just like so. The second option of wearing the apron is folding in half and wearing from waist down, which gives you that 5-star restaurant look, which I also love. This is a high-vis vest, and this is something we need to wear for safety reasons on tarmac. And it features ID section at the top, and you can see the silver strips for high visibility during nighttime as well to reflect any light. Formerly known as cabin supervisors, the original uniform for cabin managers featured a plum purple tie to distinguish them from the crew, and the remaining uniform stayed the same. Introduced in 2016, Julie Gerbeck redesigned cabin manager's uniform. It features plum colored tie instead of lilac and black shirt instead of the white shirt. They do wear the charcoal jacket and trousers, and I think it is the coolest uniform of our airline. And of course, we can't forget about the hardworking boys of ground crew. Ground crew boys wear exact same uniform as cabin crew uniform, except the tie changes to the iconic Virgin Australia red, which I think looks so trendy. Speaking of uniform, Happy Plugs is a must-have headphones for every flyer. My favorite pair was Air 1 ANC, which features active noise cancellation technology, has up to 38 hours battery time, wireless charging, and transparency mode. I was able to test this in a noisy traffic of Brisbane City, and the sound was very decent and did not let much external noise in. I still personally prefer the Soundpeats because of my budget and the great sound quality you get from it, but Happy Plugs have so many playful and fashionable color options. Check the link below for more details about Happy Plugs. Use HappyKaido15 for 15% off for a limited time. And there you have it, Virgin Australia's men's uniform haul. Tell me which one was your favorite uniform. Was it cabin crew, cabin manager, or grand crew? Personally for me, my favorite uniform is cabin manager's uniform. I think the black shirt, plum tie, and the charcoal, I think it's such a great combination. And I can't wait to wear this one day. I do hope you enjoyed this video. This video took a long time to film, edit, finalize. So I do really appreciate your support by giving me thumbs up and commenting below your favorite uniform down below. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Sayonara.